going on, everybody? It's your boy, Karen Rose, and welcome to another edition of Digital Skills brought to you by Flow Business. This month, it's all about your website for your business, and in this segment, I'm going to be giving you 3 tips to increase the traffic to your website. Let's go. Tip number 1, learning how to perform digital market research and search engine listening. What that means is you want to start learning those skills so now you can start to extract the data that the search engines collect on the global audience. Once you extract that data, you can start to be more strategic in the content that you create and how you go about marketing your business on your website. Number 2, after you've done your digital market research, you then want to look and see in the data what is the pain points and desires of your audience. You're then going to create the aligned content you need to create based on the data that you have found, and then you're going to perform something called search engine optimization. That is the process of optimizing the content on your website so that the search engines know exactly what is happening on the content on your website. That way, when people jump on Google or Yahoo or Bing and they type in their question or their query, the search engines know which content best answers the inquirer's query. And number 3, distributing your web content onto social media. So we know that every single social media platform operates a little bit differently. You can take the links from your website, so whether that be a blog or an embedded video or a podcast episode, you can take those links from your website, you could distribute it onto Facebook, you could put it out on LinkedIn. If you want to distribute the content on Instagram, you're going to have to utilize your link in bio or on Instagram stories. Instagram gives you the sticker that allows you to input a link. That way in your Instagram stories, people can click on the sticker and then it would take them to the link that you have provided them. So I hope you enjoyed today's quick 3 tips on how to increase the traffic to your website. Again, this is another edition of Digital Skills brought to you by Flow Business. My name is Karen Rose, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.